Hello everybody, it's Mindy and welcome and thanks for stopping in to see what I have to show you today. Let me start out by saying thank you to Diamond Art Gift for sending a few things for me to show everybody, and I've seen them, of course, I've opened them and I see what there's, okay, let's just go. Okay? Lots of holiday stuff here, lots of holiday. Let's start with this cute little bag. This is a cute little bag too. This will be fun and I need to do it right away. Okay, here's the toolkit, here's our drills, and here's what we have. These are fun. I did one of these for Christmas. They're just little tabletop decorations. You can just sit them, on your desk or wherever. I set mine over on my table or something. I don't know. But look at this. Look at him. Isn't he cute? It's a little gnome for Valentine's Day. And he says, love. So you drill this, it's one-sided, and then it just goes in the little holder. Okay, see how this looks white, like, pasty? That's a coating, that's a film on there. You take that off, okay? I learned that on something else I put together. This peels off here when you're ready. It just keeps it protected, okay? It's on both sides, you just peel it off, I believe. The last one was, I'm sure it is. It's exactly like the other one. It comes off pretty hard, but let's see. Come on. I'm certain it is, you guys. Come on. Here it goes. Yeah. So you just get your nail right in there and you peel it off, and then it's clear. All right. It just protects it. It's a protective film. All right. So isn't it cute, though? Isn't he cute? Super, super cute. What is that? I hope that's not on the piece. It's just on the no, it's on the piece. Okay, we got some goober. It'll come off. It's like a glob of glue or something. But isn't he cute? Okay, and he's just got some rhinestones. Just pink, red, clear, and some black. Just what you see here. All right, super cute. That'll take just, an evening, an hour, whatever. Get that one done. Okay. Let me show you this. We're in the holiday spirit. Well, let's move on to another holiday. Look at. Another toolkit. Look at him or them. Okay, this is the true gnome, right? The little leprechaun gnome. Okay, come on, right? Over the rainbow. Oh, somewhere over the rainbow, right? Oh my goodness, I love it. It's so cute. Okay. I just learned recently within the last week or two, did you know that a rainbow is actually a complete full circle? They're not an arch. It's a whole circle. We just can't see the bottom of the circle. How did I live to be this age and not know that? Anyhow, I love it. Love it. I love it. It's so cute. Look at those guys. They got their pot of gold, their lucky horseshoe, their lucky four-leaf clovers. Aren't they cute? And them boys are Irish. Those are Irish boys. They got the red beard. And look at their drills. Their drills are pre-bagged. Seriously, I'm not even going to open those because you can see every single color. Pretty yellow, black, greens, I don't know, beige, orange, yellow, blue, gray. Lots of greens, tans, a little blue and a little purple. We do have some rainbow colors, right? Taste the rainbow. Don't you want to eat Lucky Charms now? I want to eat some Lucky Charms now. I don't know about you, but anyhow, I love this guy, or these guys, whatever they are. Anyhow, okay, I'll put that aside now. I'll put that aside. Okay, here's the other piece I got. And this is a fun, these boxes. I'm getting quite a stack of these boxes, you guys. Yeah, quite a stack of boxed projects. Yep, okay. This one's a fancy one. It's a fancy one. All right, here we go. Wow, we got 2 bags of drills. Okay, pieces and parts are coming out. Here we go, more pieces and parts. More and more. Okay, I think we hit the bottom of the barrel. There's our toolkit. All right, you know that. Here's our construction kit. Look, we got rings, washers, we got screws, we've got pegs, we got our screwdriver. We get to put this puppy together. These aren't hard to put together. They really aren't. All right. All right. This one is not lighted. Okay. So this is your Ferris wheel style ornamental piece that you can sit around your house. So these are the bases. There's one for each side. You put drills on them. See? and then they'll go like this, and that forms the base of your piece, right? Screw that together. The other part's going to go in the middle. All right. See how that works so far? All right. So we got those. Now, what are we going to hang in the middle? What are we going to hang in the middle? We're going to hang these guys, and there's 2 of them, 1 for each side. And it's just this pretty, pretty floral. The first one I got, I think, was a ship, and I got a Ferris wheel that kind of dangle off these pillars. I'll call them pillars. I don't know. But now they've come out with all kinds of other things, and the flowers were just beautiful. There's a couple different flower pieces, and this is one I chose. And all the holes are where all your little pegs go together to hold it all together. So it'll be double-sided, and this will hang from here, all right? And it will be able to swing, because it hangs from the little posts here. Isn't that cute? I love it. I've got to put one of these together. I haven't yet. I'm still waiting on parts for one, but look at how cute. I don't know why there's 2 bags of drills, unless one is, my guess is, 1 bag is for those and 1 bag is for those. Let's see if I'm right. Let's see. All right. This goes, yeah, I think that's correct. This goes up through 5. We got red, orange, apricot, gold, and pink. 1 through 5. What's on here? 1 through 5, and then 6 and 7. Yep. So that is the bag o' drills. I'm trying to be Irish today. The bag o' drills for the posts, the pillars, the whatever you want to call those things. All right. So that goes with that. And then these go with your flowers. And these are pre-bagged. Interesting that those aren't. These are pre-bagged. I don't know. Does it matter? Not really. All right, let's see what we have. Okay, here we go. We have red rhinestones, gold, clear, very light pink, very light yellow, a pretty purple. Ooh, love that color. Love that color. I call that magenta. What do you call it? Another pink, a green, another green, and then we're to our specials. So look, we have some larger pink faceted rounds. Those are pretty. These are gorgeous. I love these. These are always so pretty. These flame red AB marquees. We have some yellow pearls, and we have some little gold, kind of, not gold, but champagne-y color teardrops. Love it. Love, love, love. Okay, smashing the specials. Here we go. Come on. I am so ready to start putting some of these things together for smashing the specials. So we have our 3D swingy project thing. We're going to have that. I think it'll swing. I haven't put one together yet, but I'm pretty sure they swing. Then we have our other holiday. Oh my gosh. Luck of the Irish. And then we have our Valentine's project. Love it. Love, 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 love so much. Okay, that we're stuck. Okay, what's your favorite? Tell me, what's your favorite? I'll link them below. You can go check them out. You can probably get St. Patrick's Day before St. Patrick's Day, right? Yeah, go order. Thank you again for sending those over. Diamond Art Gift. I love them. They're so cute. Yeah, when you're down there checking out that description box, they'll be linked down there. And while you're there, there's a subscribe button. If you haven't subscribed yet, you might consider it. There's memberships. All the good stuff's down there below the video. Check below the video. All kinds of good stuff happens down there. Okay? All right. Thanks so much for watching, everybody. And I appreciate you coming back and watching and following along and commenting. And I do appreciate it. Every single one of you. All right? I hope you guys have a great day. And, yeah. Go get you some Lucky Charms. I'll talk to everybody soon. Bye, you guys.